Here at the Bel Air Bridge. People loading out the jet skis. People fishing. Walk around the car. Installed the Euro side skirts right there. Plans for a rear diffuser. The same on this side. All right, let's get going. We're going to head, what would it be, north. We're going to go to Dunedin Causeway. We'll take the scenic route. It's a beautiful day right now. We're going to try and miss the rain. Before I leave, I can't unfortunately get the shifter in frame, at least not with this camera. Everything is as it was before besides the side skirts. Like I said, I got plans for the rear diffuser. And also got plans to talk about the window tint and give a review on the ceramic window tint. I do have the pillars that I have to upholster that I'm gonna video for you guys, and the headliner also that I'm gonna upholster in suede. Yeah, so I got quite a few videos coming your way, and yeah, let's get it. Let's cruise through here. Let's put the windows down. People loading, unloading their boats. So we're under the Bel Air Bridge. Definitely a chill spot. All right, here we go. Let's go over the Bel Air Bridge and start making our way to Dunedin. We'll go through Clearwater Beach. Little NB Miata. Always construction over here. Real estate is premium as you get closer to the beach. I think that's worldwide the way it is for the most part. All right, so we're coming up on the Sand Key Bridge. Nice view up here. And now we are officially at Clearwater Beach. Like I said, it's a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain in a couple hours. Right over there is Pier 60. That's the main tourist attraction. Got some beach volleyball. so we're about to get off Clearwater Beach and go over the other bridge. So we went over the Sand Key and the Bel Air Bridge to get here, and now we're about to go over the Clearwater Bridge. This is the main way to get into the beach, so you can see all the traffic for the people that don't know the back ways. Alright, so we are leaving Clearwater Beach officially. Heading into downtown. So we're going to take Myrtle Ave all the way down to Dunedin. So while we got a little bit of a trip to get to Dunedin, I want to go ahead and answer a few questions that people have asked me. First, why I don't have an exhaust on this car. One, because they don't make a exhaust for this car off the shelf. A company called Pacesetter and Borla used to make an exhaust, a bolt-on exhaust for the MX3, and obviously they don't anymore. So everything has to be custom as far as exhaust goes. So I pretty much don't even want to do anything until I do the swap. The main reason I don't got the exhaust is, again, no bolt-on options, and I'd rather wait till I have the bigger motor and I can do the final exhaust. And I'm gonna try and get it done in stainless. Turbo MX3 status, still waiting on a BP4W head. The way it's looking, the more and more time passes, I'm leaning towards just going back to the BP05 head. And hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys these POV videos from behind the wheel of the Turbo MX3. Alright, so we are on alternate US 19, which is a beautiful road. A lot of people ride their bikes, including myself out here. Picnics. Nice, safe family environment. And this will take us straight to Dunedin. If you've come this far in the video, you might as well subscribe. Got a lot more stuff coming up in the future, and I definitely need the push and the growth of the channel. So also, I'm thinking about going to some car shows, maybe some Cars and Coffee here in the near future. I usually prefer to go in the turbo car, but maybe I'll go to some car meets, some Cars and Coffees, and film that for you guys. Alright, so we're coming into the Dunedin Causeway. We are in Dunedin. There's a place called Honeymoon Island. I'm not too much of a beach person, but when I go, I like that spot. That and Siesta Key over in Sarasota. hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. There's good fishing out here. You can catch some snook, some trout, and some traffic. God damn. Normally it's all the way back to the bridge, so this ain't too bad. I'm not actually gonna go inside Honeymoon Island Park though. It's $8 to get in. I'll pull up over at the hotels and head back. So we've been in traffic for a minute. Heat soak is a serious issue here in Florida, and I'm sure in other warm climates, but especially in the turbo cars, that's why I had to upgrade the whole cooling system. You got to have some good ventilation. You have to have some good fans. I had to upgrade the Spall fans, and yeah, especially if you have AC. I got the intercooler, then the condenser, then the radiator. So you know, I had to get 2 Spall fans, upgraded lines. You got to use water wetter in the coolant. So just thought I'd bring that up while I sit here in traffic and cook, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a minute once we get past this traffic. Traffic is insane. Decided to pull into this senior community, get a couple shots outside. Hopefully I don't get booted. Protest the Dunedin Causeway, we were just over there. Traffic is over there. Pretty much gonna wrap it up. We made it from Clearwater to Dunedin. I'll probably grab some clips on the way home. All right, so I'm gonna cut through the traffic. I'm gonna head back into the city, and it's a wrap. Damn, something serious happened in Dunedin, because that's the 3rd ambulance and fire truck. This is everyday life, my peoples. Can I take this all the way down? I think I can. Fire truck. So we'll start heading south towards the crib. Alright, my people, so I'm going to close out the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you watch to the end of the video, to the middle of the video, more than 30 seconds of the video. Go ahead and subscribe, help support the channel, and I look forward to creating more POV videos for you guys as the cars progress. Make sure to leave your comments in the section below. Hit the like button. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you like, what you don't like. I appreciate it, guys. And about to go enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I appreciate you guys. This is Roller 16 checking out. Until next time, salute.